plans to construct up to 50 new properties at the former Mudgee Bowling Club site on Burrendella Avenue as part of a major project to provide housing for key workers including teachers, nurses and police. The need for more affordable housing throughout the region has been a concern for Council and the community over many years. Council is aware that key worker positions are increasingly difficult to recruit as staff cannot find affordable rental accommodation. To combat this and ensure the community has adequate staffing in critical health and education industries, Council will construct studio 1, 2 and 3 bedroom properties. It is intended the development will further free up residential housing for other community members. The region's road network has sustained significant damage as a result of 2 successive rain events. Many roads remain closed due to flooding or flood damage. Get road closure updates direct from the source via Council's website and Facebook page. Council's road information is updated in real time. The business case for an indoor pool in Mudgee has progressed with an interim report presented to Council last month. The report provides capital and operational implications for 4 potential design options. In order for the business case to progress, Council provided in principle support to construct a new 50-metre indoor pool and fitness centre whilst retaining the outdoor water park on the existing site in Lawson Park. The option would enable access to leisure and long course swimming year-round. The current Mudgee outdoor 50-metre and toddler pool are more than 50 years old, having already exceeded typical useful life expectancy. Any upgrade or new aquatic facility construction will require significant capital investment of up to $60 million, in addition to ongoing operational and asset management costs. Mudgee Arts Precinct is now accepting entries to the region's first ever portrait prize. Artists at any level of their artistic practice, from beginners right through to arts professionals, are encouraged to enter in all mediums. Entries are open now and close at 5 p.m. on Friday, the 18th of November. 3 new additions will soon be added to the region's public art collection following their selection at the annual Sculptures in the Garden event. The new sculptures include Stallion, The Birdman and Familiar. Since 2013, Council has acquired works from the exhibition that are added to the public art collection, which will now expand into other areas, beginning with Ralston. Flavours of Mudgee made a spectacular return in September, with 11,696 people making their way into Mudgee's CBD to enjoy the region's best food and wine. Following pandemic-forced cancellations in 2020 and 2021, more than half of this year's attendees were first-timers to the event. A strong contingent of visitors made up this year's crowd, with 71% visiting from outside the region and the remaining 29% living locally. Based on these visitor numbers, length of overnight stays and postcode data, it is estimated the event has generated $2 million for the local economy. Nominations for the 2023 Australia Day Awards are now open on Council's website. There are 6 categories to nominate someone who has made a difference in our community and deserves recognition for their achievements and contributions. Categories include Citizen of the Year, Young Citizen of the Year, Community Event of the Year, the Glenn Johnson Memorial Award for Arts and Music, the Sports Award and Volunteer Services Award.